In this lesson, we'll provide you with some additional information that can further improve your experience while coding in Jupyter. To begin, make sure you're in command mode. That is, check that you have not double-clicked on any particular cell of your document, and that you don't see the little pencil on the top right here. Once you confirm this, press the H key on your keyboard. A new window pops up. It contains information about the two modes you are aware of, the command and edit modes. Their description has been displayed on top. Below, there is a list with all keyboard shortcuts currently available in Jupyter. You can always refer to that list while coding, because in your practice, you will increasingly need more functionalities. The best way to take advantage of this feature is to check the desired shortcut, and then close the keyboard shortcuts window before applying the functionality in question. To achieve this, you can either press the escape button on your keyboard if you haven't clicked on the window, or the close sign at the top right of the window. Another option is to hit the close button at the bottom right, or simply the H key again. Assuming all this is clear, let's press H to open the list once more. For the sake of exercise, let's go through a couple of functionalities that you may benefit from at a later stage. We can scroll down to see that the O button can be used to toggle output of selected cells. What does that mean? Press H to close the window, and then make sure you've selected the only cell we have in our document. For the moment, you don't need to concentrate on its contents. That said, the cell contains a comment and 2 lines of code, one indicating that the value of a variable x will equal 3 plus 5, and another printing the value of x. Press Ctrl and Enter to execute this code, and you'll obtain the value 8 as an output. Great! Now, if you press O, the output will hide or unhide. Of course, you can achieve the same by double-clicking on the gray box that appears here, then single-clicking to bring us back to the previous state. If you wonder why we are showing you this particular shortcut, please consider that in this example, the output doesn't take much visual space from our document. However, when we get to work with output fields containing entire data tables, this functionality will come in handy. The other shortcut I wanted to talk about was using the L key. Press H to see that you can use it to toggle line numbers. Close the keyboard shortcuts window and then select the cell again. Press the L key now. What happened is that line numbers appeared to the left of every row. Once more, the number of each row of code here seems to be obvious. But when your code is getting longer, using the line numbers will be of great help to fixing your code with your colleagues. These were the 3 shortcuts I wanted to share with you at this stage. Naturally, you can feel free to come back to the H list, so to speak, and explore more of the provided shortcuts. See you in the next lecture.